Hey kids, talk about Owner of a Lonely Heart by Yes. Okay, come on to the left hand. I'm going to talk you through the chords. Come closer, closer, closer. Closer, closer. First, we're going to start with a power chord, A and E. First finger at the second fret of the D string, open A string. Then we're going to move to a power chord, a B power chord. And when I do that, for efficient technique, notice I'm going to put all of the fingers on the string, on the D string, except for the first finger, which is the first finger you'll note is laying across the other strings to mute them so that when you play your electric guitar, they don't resonate wildly. Okay? And then you slide this chord up to a C power chord, and then up again to a D power chord. So you play on the 5th and 4th strings, open and 2nd fret, 5th and 4th strings, 2nd and 4th, 3rd and 5th, 5th and 7th fret, and then you come down, you swap down one string to the 6th and 5th string, and go to the 3rd and 5th frets. If you want to get that extra 80s sound, come here, come closer to the right hand. Hold on, tilt right over there. You put the palm right there on the very end of the string, right? And get the palm muting sound. Okay, have fun.